All right, so it says which interval describes where the graph of the function is positive? Well, when we say the graph of the function is positive, what we're really talking about is when is f of x greater than 0. And you can think of, remember, f of x is like the y value. When is y greater than 0? Well, that's anytime it is above the x-axis. But the interval has to be, because it's a function of x, we have to define the interval as x. So it looks like, remember when we're defining an interval, we talk about the lower and upper boundaries. The lower boundary, it looks like x can go on forever towards negative infinity. This just keeps going on to the left right off the page. So the lower boundary is negative infinity. The upper boundary stops right here, which looks to be negative 1. Now, if we were to write that, because it says interval, if we were to write that in interval, oh no, we could do it, we'd just leave it like this. This is the upper boundary. That's interesting. I thought we were going to have to put it into interval notation, but that's okay. We could just leave it like that. That's how they have it on the question. Okay? So just a quick recap. We want to know when the curve is above the x-axis because the y value is positive. But when they ask for the interval, they want to know what values of x does this occur. Why? Because y is a function of x. So we always define that by the values of x. That's the confusing part. When is y positive? When x is negative in this particular case. Not, well, from negative 1 on down.